Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, man, go on, help me out. You know, down there, somewhere on that screen. There. You know, help me out. Hit that subscribe button so you get notified when I post new videos. Got an update here on the shop. Got almost all the framing done for the walls. What y'all think about this? I said, got a lot of the framing almost done. We ran out 2x4s. I had to go up the street to a local Lowe's, grab some more 2x4s. In case those of you who noticed in the video, those are 1x4s. Yeah, they're 1x4s. Try to stack them. And what they're for is they get painted black like this one, because they're going on the exterior of the doors for a seal plate. So we got a good airtight seal, because we are getting a mini split installed, and it's going to go right over here on this wall right here, or maybe there, but one of these two walls here. We have a mini split installed, and so we want this building completely airtight. So whether it's, you know, especially for air conditioning, heat, I mean, it works great for heat. Heck, I've been out here, door open, pouring down, raining, sweating. By the way, yes, if you notice, water's just pouring in from outside. We haven't got gutters installed yet. Speaking of that, what would you all recommend as far as gutters? Believe we're going to go with a 5-inch gutter. We'll step out here and show you, but like I said, it's raining. Had tornado warnings a couple days ago, and tornado watch. We actually had one hit down, located here in Kentucky. But anyways, back to the walls here. Just want to give you an update and see how everything's going. The reason why, yes, you might wonder why some places here and back here on the back wall are skipped around. Well, because those are able to put full sheets. A lot easier to do. You know, my neighbors was helping me out doing this. My shop hand, he was off, and I said, doing this on my spare time. At the very top on this side wall here, we're doing 1/4 inch, and on this corner from this post over, we're doing 1/4 inch. From here around to here, and right there is going to be 1/2 inch. The reason why we're doing 1/2 inch, because the rest of it from the 8 foot down is 1/2 inch. So it's got something to grab to in case you want to hang any type of, you know, not heavy, but semi-heavy, you know, decorations or signs, or, you know, for the shop. But, you know, we're going to get decorated. Stay tuned. You know, I can see right there at the bottom of that door, right there, there's the newest creation. Well, it's going to be here for the shop. We'll have plenty of videos coming for that right there. Take a guess down in the comments. Let me know in the comments, what model do you think it is? I'll let you see the bottom half of it right there. What model do you think that is? Yes, I'm talking what has the red forks on it. They got to get repainted. What model do you think that is? I'm not going to say the brand. Let y'all comment down below. Tell me what you think it is. I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a pretty good hint. It looks like in the Disney movie Cars. To give you a hint of what model it is. Disney movie Cars. But, all right, guys. Well, if y'all want to subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, get my videos out there, helping me out. I'm said, any questions y'all got about some of the equipment that's currently just laying around here in the shop. You know, like I said, we got to bring all the tools. The tire and balance machine is going to go over here in the corner. The lift is going to go between this outlet and this outlet up here in the middle. We're going to go about, we're planning on going probably 10 foot from that wall, in between these two posts, and going to go 10 foot. And we're getting a, what do you call it? The lift, well, you know, 2 posts, but where it doesn't matter if you pull onto it or back onto it, it's balanced. Drawing a blank, but yeah, that's where the lift's going to go. I said tire and balance machines are going to go over here in this corner. Air compressor is actually going to move to that corner. And then right here in this corner is going to be a welder table with the welders, stick welder, MIG welder, and then another little mini bench here for the drill press, for paint, I mean not for paint fab, but for fab work right here in this whole corner here. Breaker box, it's going to get covered. I'm going to do a trim around it. As I said, if you watch some of the other videos, you'll see in the videos what our plan is for the breaker box and why it's recessed. But, all right, guys. Sorry, I'm rambling on here. Y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and y'all have a blessed day.